Are you tired of battling dry, brittle curls on your child's hair? Imagine a hair care solution that not only restores their natural curl balance but also reduces breakage and boosts elasticity. That's exactly what SoCozy's kid-focused formula delivers, a gentle yet effective way to keep curls healthy and vibrant. With over 20 years of salon expertise, SoCozy understands the unique needs of children's hair. Their formula is free from parabens, sulfates, phthalate, formaldehyde, synthetic colors, propylene glycol, gluten, wheat, and nuts. This means you get a clean, safe product that cares deeply for your child's scalp and hair without any nasty ingredients lurking in the mix. What sets SoCozy apart is its powerhouse blend of key ingredients. Hydrolyzed keratin creates a protective barrier around each strand, strengthening hair and minimizing damage over time. Plum seed oil seals and bonds damaged cuticles, leaving hair silky and elastic, so curls bounce back instead of breaking. Plus, watermelon seed oil adds a natural shine while soothing itchy scalps, making every wash a soothing experience. Cozy Friedman, founder of Cozy's Cuts for Kids salons in NYC and a national children's hair care expert, backs this formula. Her hands-on experience with kids' curls shaped SoCozy's commitment to safe, effective products tailored just for little ones. One mom shared how SoCozy transformed her daughter's hair after trying it from a birthday registry gift. She noticed a remarkable difference. The hair looked and felt amazing, with curls that were softer and more manageable. That's the kind of real, visible change you want when choosing a product for your child. If you're looking for a reliable, clean hair care solution that truly respects your child's curls, SoCozy is worth a look. It's designed to protect, nourish, and restore, so you can feel confident about what you're putting on your child's hair. Try SoCozy when you're ready to see healthier curls that shine with natural beauty. Give your child the gentle care they deserve, and watch their curls come alive with strength and bounce.